We are blessed to have a leader like Prime Minister Modi who doesn't take knee-jerk decisions ever. Every one of his decisions is a well thought out, very well discussed with experts and all stakeholders, and very well thought of decision. I recall that Prime Minister Modi would spend, I would say, nights on end studying about prior history of epidemics and pandemics. He went as far back as the Spanish flu 100 years ago to study what models helped different nations. And I think he even went to the extent of doing comparative analysis of nations which focused on protecting their economies over the health of their citizens, and other nations which saved the lives of their citizens, even at the cost of a short-term compromise on the economy. He went to that extent of research and study. And just look back in time. After all, it's very easy in hindsight to try and question a decision made 19 months ago or 20 months ago. But just imagine, we had started with one, and when we went into lockdown in 2020, we had only 4 centers in the country which could do testing. Maybe 2,500 tests a day, ma'am. We had no PPE manufacturing, personal protective equipment, anywhere in India. Rapid testing kits were just not available. There was very little spare capacity to handle the COVID load which could have come up, and which was rapidly rising in other parts of the world, causing huge overwhelming of health infrastructure. Obviously, there was no cure. For that matter, there was not even a protocol to handle somebody down with COVID. I remember a conversation with Dr. Trehan just before the lockdown, where he told me, I have some 400 PPE kits. At that time, he was using a PPE kit for one patient, one visit, because nobody knew what the protocol was. And there was scare that if a doctor goes or a nurse goes and with a PPE kit and sees one patient, they have to scrap that PPE kit and change into another before seeing another patient. These are all learnings that have come over the period. So at that point of time, if we had not gone in for a strict lockdown and really controlled the situation, bought us some time, those crucial 3 months, to ramp up our testing facility, to take technology to the next level so that we could have technological solutions to handle the crisis better. Start developing vaccines. And you know, we were amongst the first countries in the world to invest and promote vaccine development at 6 places at a time.